Hello, fellas. This is BiUncleMan64 here, and I've gotten a mysterious package in the mail from from my grandmother, and my papa is here helping me open up this mysterious package. Oh, what is it? Oh. What the heck? Oh, it's a bag from my favorite grocery store. Oh man, that is so cool. Oh my god. That is so cool. Oh, I got a little keepsake thing.
I think that's a bowl that Grandpa made.
Yeah.
Cool?
Cool.
Alright. Open that. Pull back on the camera a bit.
Hold on. Oh, what? I didn't know that existed.
There you go.
Eh.
You can drink your
Eh.
coffee or tea.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to keep it here because I don't want to get broken at my apartment.
Something else that Grandpa made.
Oh, it's a little Christmas ornament.
Keep that for next year, right?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Almost looks like a little puzzle.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's it, but I think you've probably got your favorite stuff, huh? In the
Yeah.
place. It's a bigger one. Alright.
Oh, this is so cool.
You can put stuff in your place bag.
Right. So anywho, that's it for the update video. So I'll guess I'll probably touch base with you in the future. Bye.